to my YouTube channel Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 HOE Halloween. So, if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So UXP22 Excel chapter 11 HOE Hollands, and we move to the main project step. So step number 1 is install Excel, download and open the file name exp22 Excel chapter 11 HOE Hollands. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the exp22 Excel chapter 11 HOE Hollands, and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is the first column contains a first and last name of the store manager to facilitate future sorting by last name. You want to display the last name and then first name in the second column. In the cell B2 in the store manager worksheets, type the Landgrens and Gastons. Use the flash fill to complete the patterns down column B. So in cell B2 in the store manager worksheets, click the store manager worksheets, and next is in the cell B2. So select the B2 and B2 type the on greens and Gastions, press enter, and next is use the flash fill to complete the pattern down column B. So go to the home tabs and go to the detail groups, click the flash fill. So question number 2 is complete. Move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is the worksheet contains the complete address. In the third column, you will separate the street address, city, states, and postal code into the individual column and select the range C2 to C11 and convert the text to columns. Use the comma checkbox as the delimiter and deselect the other delimiters and change the width of column C to 25 and the width of column D to 13. So copy the range C2 to C11, go to the Excel worksheets and paste the range, press enter. And next is convert the text column and use the comma checkbox, convert text column. So go to the data tabs and next is click the text to column. So open the text to column dialog box and use the comma checkbox delimiters. Click the next and select the comma checkbox of comma delimiters and deselect the other delimiters and change the width of column C to 25 and then width of column D to 13. So click the next and next is checkbox and deselect the other delimiters and click the finish. And next is change the width of column C to 25. So select the column C, right click and click the column width is to 25 and click OK. And next is and then width of column D to 13. So select the column D, right clicks and click the column width is to type the 13 and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is now you want to separate the state abbreviation and zip code and select the range E2 to E11 and convert the text to column. Deselect the comma delimiters and select the space delimiter. Do not import the first column in cell F1 and apply the aligned rights horizontally alignments. So select the range E2 to E11, copy the range and paste the range, press enter. And next is convert the text to column. So go to the data tabs and go to the data tool groups, click the text to column, convert the text to column, convert the text to a column and deselect the comma delimiters, deselect the comma and deselect the comma delimiter and select the space delimiters. Select the space delimiters, select the space delimiter and do not import the first column. So click the next and do not import a column and do not import the first column. Finish. Click on next and select the space delimiter and do not import the first column. Do not import the first columns and click the finish. And next is in a cell F1 and apply the aligned rights horizontal alignments. So select the F1, press enter and apply the align the right horizontal alignments. Go to the home tabs, go to the alignment groups and click the align the right. Okay. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is the state manager worksheets contain a list of managers. You will combine the names using the text join functions and display the state manager worksheets. In cell D2, insert the text join function to combine the name in the range A2 to C2 and using the space as a delimiter and ignore the empty cells. Copy the function to the range D3 to D5. So display the state manager worksheets. And next is in the cell D2. So type the D2, press enter. And next is insert the text join functions to combine the name in the range A2 to C2 and using the space delimiter and ignore the empty cells. Copy the function to the range D3 to D5. So select the D2, type is equal to and next is type the text join function and type inverted commas and type the true and next is A2 to C2. Close bracket and press enter. And next is copy the function to the range D3 to D5. So copy the function in the range D2 to D5. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is to prove the readability of the names, you will convert the text to upper and lower case in cell E2. Insert the proper function for the text contained in the cell D2 and copy the function to the range E3 to E5. So in cell E2 and insert the proper function for the text contained in cell D2 and copy the function to the range E3 to E5. So select the E2 and insert the proper function to the text in cell D2. So type is equal to and type the proper function and next is select the D2, close bracket and press enter. And next is copy the function to the range E3 to IE5. E3 to E5. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, you want to extract the area code from the phone numbers in cell H2. Insert the left function to extract the first three characters from the phone number in cell G2 and copy the function to the range H3 to H5. So in cell H2 and insert the left function to extract the first three characters from the phone number in cell G2 and copy the function to the range H3 to H5. So select the H2 and type is equal to, type the left function, and next is select the G2 and 3 close bracket and press enter. So next is copy the function to the range H3 to H5. So copy a function H3 to H5. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, you will use the database worksheet of the next several steps. You will set up the criteria and output range, enter the criteria and then apply the filters and display the database worksheets. Copy the range A2 to E2 and then use the keep source column with the paste option to paste the heading in cell G2 and paste another copy of the headings starting in cell G9. In the cell I3 type the UT, in the cell J3 type the 11 to 2024, in cell C2 display the advanced filters dialog box and setting the copy to record the another location and use the data sets ranges to the A2 to E52. So go to the display the database worksheets, and next is copy the range A2 to E2, paste the range, press enter and click the copy, and next is use the keep source column with option in cell G2. Select the G2 and use the keep source column with, click OK. And next is paste the heading in cell G2 and paste the copy the heading in cell G9, in cell G9, in the cell G2 and paste another copy of the heading starting in cell G9. So copy and click the copy and paste in cell G9. And press the escape button. And next is in the cell I3 type the UT. So select the I3 and type the UT, press enter. And next is J3. So copy a date and paste the date in cell J3, press enter. In cell C2 display the advanced filters. So select the C2 Say to the advanced filters dialog box, apply the setting to another location A2 to E25 and select the range G2 to K3 as the criteria and select the G9 to K9's copy to the range. So go to the data and click the advanced filters, and next is range is to the A2 to E52. E52 and next is G2 to K3. Click the copy to another locations and G9 to K9. Click OK. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is you want to calculate the total sale for the UTH store for the week ending in the cell N2. Insert the dsum function for the range A2 to E52 and type the gross sale for the field and use the range G2 to K3 as the criteria. So in cell N2, press enter, and in the cell N2 and insert the dsum function for the range A2 to E52 and type the gross sale for the field and use the ranges G2 to K3 as the criteria. So select the N2, type is equal to and type the dsum function, and next is select the A2 to E2 and type the inverted commas, type the gross and next is G2 to K3. Close bracket, press enter. Set the dsum function, so type the E52 and gross sale G2 to K3, press enter. So question number 9 is complete, and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is next you want to calculate the average sale for the UTS store for the week ending in the cell N3. Insert the daverage function using the same arguments that you used to for the dsum function. So select the N3 and type is equal to type the daverage function and range is A2 to E52 and type the inverted commas and type the gross sale and next is G2 to K3. Close bracket and press enter. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is the text function will identify the highest gross sale for the UTS store for the week endings 11/2/2024 in the cell N4. Insert the dmax function using the same argument that you used for the dsum function in step 9. So select the N4, type is equal to and type the dmax function, and next is type the A2 to E52 and gross sales type inverted commas and G2 to K3, G2 to K3, close bracket and press enter. So question number 11 is complete. We move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is, next you will identify the lowest gross sale for the UTS stores for the week ending, and in the cell N5 insert the D minimum function using the same argument that you used for the dsum functions. So select the N5, type is equal to, and type the D minimum functions, and next is type A22 E52 and type the gross sale, and next is G22 K3, bracket and press enter. So question number 12 is complete. We move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is, you want to count the record to ensure that all three stores being included in the summary. In the cell N6 insert the decount function using the same argument that you used to dsum function. So N6 type is equal to, and type the decount function, and type the A22 E52 and to type the gross sale, and G22 K3, bracket and press enter. So question number 13 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.